Unauthorized software is software that has been illegally copied or distributed without the permission of the copyright holder. It is important to understand that using unauthorized software is illegal and can have serious consequences. Unauthorized software can contain malicious code or viruses that can damage your computer or your business computer and put your personal information at risk. This could lead to identity theft or other serious security issues. Using unauthorized software can also lead to legal action against you and your organization because copyright holders have the right to take legal action against you or against anyone who uses their software without permission. This could mean heavy fines on the organization or even jail in some times. Unauthorized softwares, when you use it, it is unethical to do because you are actually taking the right of another one and use it without his or her permission. Using unauthorized software can expose your computer to malicious code and viruses. And the best way to protect yourself from unauthorized software is to only download and install software from trusted sources. Make sure you are using this software according to the license agreement. And make sure you are only use the approved software from your organization which you have a license to use it. We have different licenses model in terms of software. We can have the freeware, the shareware, and the trial license, as well as we have also the commercial license. So in case you are using a software that is authorized to be run in non-business environment in your business organization, in this case you are violating software usage agreement, which can make you subject to a lot of fines and a lot of problems. So be sure that you are using only authorized softwares. Be sure that you are not downloading or installing unauthorized software in the organization computers. Usually, you will not have the capability inside your organization to modify your system applications and download or install software. But in case you have, you need to know that you are not or you should not do this. If you have such a permission in a wrong manner, you might need to refer to IT to check if you need this permission to be kept on your device or not. But if you, for any reason, have the permission of downloading application and installing it on your computer system, please make sure that you are only installing the trusted applications from trusted providers and never download cracks or activators that can help you or can allow you in using software in illegal manner. Because in addition to illegal aspects that could be or unethical aspects that could be a result from this activity, there is also a risk that these cracks or these activators could include malicious codes or any other type of malware that can impact your data privacy and impact your data confidentiality and lead to cyber breach. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.